If you're struggling to cover a large wall opening, this oversized wall plate offers a reliable and clean solution. Made from sturdy polycarbonate thermoplastic, it delivers the durability and flexibility needed to handle heavy impacts without cracking or breaking. That means it holds up over time, even in high-traffic areas. What sets this wall plate apart is its resistance to heat and fading. It withstands temperatures over 100 degrees, so you won't have to worry about discoloration or damage from prolonged exposure to sunlight or heat sources. Plus, it carries a UL94 V2 flammability rating, adding an extra layer of safety to your home or office environment. Measuring 5 inches by 5 inches, the oversized dimensions make it easy to cover large or irregular openings without the hassle of spackling or repainting. It fits any standard 2-gang wall plate configuration, so swapping it out is straightforward and quick. No need to mess with complicated installations. The clean white color and smooth finish give it a modern look, while the soft edges make cleaning a breeze. Unlike plates with recessed lines or grooves that trap dust, this one keeps your walls looking neat with minimal effort. It even includes matching screws for a seamless setup. Customers in the United States have praised this plate for its perfect fit over giant phone jack areas, especially in home refurbishments. One user highlighted how it saved time and effort by eliminating the need to patch walls or deal with awkward hardware store options. Fast shipping and a fair price were added bonuses. On top of all that, this wall plate comes with a 1-year warranty and is UL listed, ensuring you're investing in a quality product you can trust. Whether you're upgrading your space or fixing an awkward hole, it's built to last and look great. If you want a simple, durable way to cover large wall openings without extra work, this oversized polycarbonate wall plate is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to make your walls look clean and professional. No fuss, just reliable protection.